Gitaganto ni Tito og ay ni Kuya og shoes. Nice kayang shoes. Blue lang ang shoes. But it's okay. Love ko yung shoes. So lovely kayo. New born. Nice kayong shoes. Abi na ko cake. Shoes man di ay ni kay Missy. Pero pang lalaki kay blue. Sige na niya. What's wrong? What's wrong? Do you like your new shoes? Your new shoes are very beautiful. Tiger. Tiger nga blue. More siya kwan, Blue's Clues. Do you love your new shoes? Do you love your new shoes? Say thank you. Thank you, Kuya Loy Loy. Thank you, Kuya Loy Loy. Thank you. Say bye-bye, guys.